In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and approve Timesheets Xero Payroll. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a timesheet for an employee, enter their hours accurately, and approve it, so it flows smoothly into your next pay run. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Payroll. You'll need the right payroll permissions to see this option. From there, open Timesheets. This is your central place to view existing timesheets and create new ones. If you're setting up hours for the current pay cycle, you'll add a fresh timesheet rather than editing an old one. Choose Add Timesheet to create a new record. First, select the employee. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the correct person, especially if multiple employees have similar names. Each timesheet is tied to one employee and one pay period, so accuracy here saves rework later. Next, select the period. Pick the correct pay period that matches your company's payroll calendar, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Double check the start and end dates so hours land in the right pay run. When those details look good, click Save. This saves the shell of the timesheet and puts it in a draft state so you can safely add hours. Now choose the earnings rate. This tells payroll how to treat the hours for pay calculations. For standard working time, select ordinary hours. Using the correct earnings rate helps ensure leave accruals, overtime rules, and reporting are all calculated properly. You'll see a grid by date. Click into the date fields and enter the hours worked for each day of the period. If your team uses decimal time, enter 7.5 for 7.5 hours. For example, keep your entries consistent with company policy. Breaks are typically excluded from paid hours unless your policy says otherwise. As you go, watch the totals. They usually update automatically and can help you quickly spot a typo, like an extra zero. Before you finalize, review the entire week or period for completeness and accuracy. Confirm you've covered every working day that applies, the totals look right, and the earnings rate is appropriate for the work performed. When you're satisfied, click Approve. Approval locks the timesheet for payroll and makes the hours available for the upcoming pay run. Only users with approval rights can do this, so if you don't see the option, check with your payroll administrator. That's it. You went to Payroll, opened Timesheets, added a new timesheet, selected the employee and period, saved it, set the earnings rate to ordinary hours, entered the hours by date, and approved the timesheet. Thanks for watching, and happy payroll processing.